What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This thing looks nuts. In a good way, though. Like, to come in and see a front end on this car is insane. I'm digging it, though. It's gonna look better once we paint everything. But, I gotta stop saying but. Yesterday, we put these panels on, but today, see, I said it again. However, today, we're gonna basically take everything off of the car again and start stripping out the engine bay because we gotta get this thing ready for paint. The goal would be to get this thing in paint or ready to be painted by this week, by the end of this week. Because I would love to do a burnout on this thing, preferably next week, but definitely by the end of the month. So what we're gonna do is gonna lift up the hood for like the 80th time. Come on, I got this, come on. Okay, so let's open the hood. Okay. We're gonna remove the fenders. Well, let's take it easy now. What we have to remove out of here is basically everything you see back there. So fuse box, harness, brake lines, power steering lines, brake master, suspension, we can leave on for now. These are actually not mine. That's Brother Curvis's. He let me borrow them. So we won't be painting them. But that can stay on to the very end. You know, the battery tray will come off. I think we'll remove the... What is that? What is that? Wiper motor. We'll remove the wiper motor too, just so we can paint the cowl. Paint everything around here. So in order for us to paint this, we gotta first remove everything, prep, primer, then we'll paint. So now that this car has a front end, it's much tighter. Like there's not much space between the front of the car and the door. So we'll have to open the door, and I don't think we could push this back. You guys can see that box back there, right around there. Those are the windows to Cousin Andy's R34. And I don't know about you guys, but R34 front windshield, rear windshield, and quarter panel glasses are not in the budget for this build. So we'll just raise the door, get some natural light in here, get some fresh air, and get cranking. Boy, that took a lot longer than I expected it to. But look at that. I think the little things make such a big difference. You know, moving the wire out of the way, pulling out the fuse box, the proportioning valve, the power steering lines, all that stuff out of the way makes this look a lot cleaner. I can see why people like the tuck bay. Should we go down that rabbit hole? Should we put new brake lines? I mean, the engine kind of covers all that, so let's not complicate this thing. We're cooking with fire. Let's not dull out the fire. So now that that's out of the way, we can kind of see the extent of the damage. Obviously, the proportion valve was not proportioning. It was proportioning, but it was leaking at the same time. That's pretty much it. The thieves unfortunately scratched the last, I think, number or two out the VIN. So we'll have to clean that up when we do the body work. Got to be careful not to make that worse than it already is. We have to remove the dash to remove the heater core, and then also to take care of some other things. They also damaged the VIN on there, so we'll remove the dash to see how bad that really is. So when we remove the dash, we'll pull the brake master out. We'll pull the harnesses in as well. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're enjoying this, or let us know how you feel, and subscribe down below. And if you haven't yet, check out our social media, so our YouTube shorts, our Instagram, and our TikTok, because we're doing a burnout every day for every new subscriber we get for the whole month of June. It's only day 9 today, so get with the program. See you guys on the next one. Peace.